Hi my beautiful Libras, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Libras, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2021. Okay, so please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest. You would also want to check the other signs in your birth chart, guys, so to get a clear picture. So Libras, I am not picking on any particular energy as such for you guys. Probably the only thing that's keeping on coming on my mind is someone is being quite what do we say, secretive about his or her feelings, not opening up, not revealing things, just keeping to himself or herself. Okay, not want to disclose the plans, which is quite fair enough. Like I too really believe that one should not disclose the plans until you are successful in whatever it is that you're wanting to achieve. That's what I also believe these days. So yeah, so let's directly jump into your reading and see what we have for you guys. Okay, since I'm not getting or picking on any other particular message for you guys. So yeah, let's see what we have for you guys for this month, March 2021. Temperance card, whoa, it kept on coming while shuffling also. So I feel that there is a lot of requirement of balancing the energies, because that was something I was feeling, but I thought let me just wait till we get all the cards. Wow, the energy at the bottom of deck is Page of Pentacles. Cool. Lovers card. Whoa. This is something again that kept on coming while shuffling. So someone definitely entering into some kind of partnership with someone, either romantically or in career. But more so, I feel this is in terms of a relationship. Someone getting into a committed relationship. Wow. Chariot and Six of Swords. Yeah. Wow, guys, what's happening? Wheel of Fortune, definitely a huge turn of events happening for you guys. And wow, I'm excited to see what messages we get for you guys. The cards are pretty interesting. The energy present in the present state, or your current energy, is that of Three of Wands. Now this is you guys waiting for something, waiting for your ships to sail in. You guys have done your work. Okay, you have put in all the efforts, you have done your work, maybe it's manifestation work or whatever it is. Now you're just waiting for the right time, or you're just waiting for the results to come through. Okay, and I am like seeing this card or holding this card in my hand. I am feeling that this is something which you're really positive about. You are like really hoping, and you're really almost sure that you're going to get what you want. Okay, and why not? Because the energy crossing is that of Nine of Cups. Now this is surely wish fulfillment for some of you guys. This is really like, this is like someone has really wished, really wished very hard, prayed very hard for something, and now you're at the brink of getting that. Okay, you're at the brink of manifesting whatever it is that you're desiring. Okay, this could also be, excuse me guys, excuse me, sorry about that. This could also be someone manifesting you in their life, guys. That is also what I'm sensing over here. But definitely wish fulfillment for some of you guys, and a very pleasant energy to hold on. Okay, the energy in your recent past is that of Temperance. Okay, now this entire reading is making so much sense. This is like whatever this is that you are desiring. Okay, you have the blessings of gods in for this. Okay, the universe is definitely with you in this. This is like this desire or this wish of yours is backed by the gods or the universe or the guides, whoever you believe in. Okay, the superpower, whoever you believe in, you are definitely guided and blessed in this this journey or this manifestation that you are trying to have in your life. Okay, this is also you who is trying to balance things out, okay, or it could be a balance of practical aspects as well as emotions, okay, balance of professional life with personal life, that kind of energy. But definitely a balancing act somewhere you are practicing, okay. And if not, it's a need. I am strongly feeling that this is you striking a balance between your emotions and practical aspects of this life, or of this world, because this cup, how the water is flowing between these two cups. So this represents emotions, as well as this water, it represents emotions. But your one leg, okay, one foot is in water and one foot is on stone. So this is you trying to ground yourself, trying to strike a balance between your thoughts and emotions, okay. That is what I'm getting strongly over here. The energy in the immediate future is that of Knight of Pentacles. Now Knight of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. Now this is Knight of Pentacles is the slowest knight in the deck, okay, in the tarot deck. This is something which is slow but steady energy, okay. Someone or something is coming to your life slowly but steadily. Now this to me looks like now I really feel there are two energies in this reading. One who is trying to manifest something in terms of profession, one who is manifesting you. I feel someone is manifesting you, or it could be other way around, but someone manifesting you is what I see over here in personal life, okay. But whatever this is, it's a very slow moving energy. So I feel that you might feel impatient during this process, okay. You are feeling that, okay, why can't I see the results, okay, when will I have this thing, when will I have this job, when will I have this car, whatever it is that is you're manifesting. But trust the process, guys. Everything is happening in the background, and even though you can't see the results right now, you definitely are going to see whatever, or you are going to get whatever that is your desiring. I'll tell you why as we proceed in the readings, okay. The energy at your subconscious level is that of Ten of Wands, ending of something, okay. Now this ending or this closure to some chapter of your life was not a pleasant one, okay. It came in as a rude awakening. It came in with lot of hurt, okay, lot of heartache, okay. This was not an easy ending. Definitely endings are not easy ones, but this in particular, it kind of made you think, okay. It was kind of an eye opener. It has taught you some good lessons, okay. That kind of ending I'm talking about. But guys, I am seeing so many new things happening in your life, new energies entering in your life. Especially this Wheel of Fortune coming up or showing after this Ten of Wands is a very good news, guys. Definitely you are closing one chapter of your life and moving on to another, and a new fresh beginning is what I see over here. And I'm really relieved to see these cards for you guys. So the energy crowning is that of Two of Wands. Now this again is you. Two of Wands and Three of Wands. Definitely you have prepared for something, you have done your work, and now you are waiting for the results, okay. I also feel that some of you guys probably might be wanting to travel somewhere, maybe overseas, okay, maybe for higher studies, and you guys are waiting for things to come back to normal after this pandemic, okay. Waiting for the visa process to happen, okay. That kind of energy is also I'm getting over here. Something related to career, you want to make that move, you want to shift the careers, you want to shift base for your career is what I see over here. This could also be someone wanting or planning to come and see you, meet you in person, okay. That kind of energy is also what I'm getting strongly in this reading. Yeah, but the things are moving at a very slow pace for you guys, and that's making you impatient, and the guides are telling you to keep patience, okay. Keep patience. Everything is going to happen in the right time, okay. Everything is happening in the required pace, at the required pace is what the guides are telling. The advice is that of Judgment, okay. Now yeah, again Judgment also is telling me that, guys, you really need to see how similar these cards are, okay, how similar these cards are. So you guys are really at a blessed stage right now, whatever hardships, whatever endings, whatever heartache you have gone through, that's going to be in the past now, that's going to be in the history now, and you are definitely headed for a bright future. You are going to have second chance at life, okay? You're going to have a second chance in your relationship, in terms of your career, or whatever that had, come to an end. You definitely have a second chance to that. Life is giving you a second chance. All you need to do is hang in there, okay? All you need to do is be patient. Your good times are definitely about to come, okay? Good bright future is about to enter your life, is what I see over here. Yeah, in your what do I say, hopes and fears, there is this nine of swords. Now this definitely is your energy, guys. You are being anxious, you are in that overthinking mode, whether this will happen or not, when this will happen, will the things change for me, will I see good days, that kind of energy I'm seeing over here. Definitely, guys, things are going to end for good. You are going to get closure. You are going to the phase in this phase of your life is definitely going to come to an end. So just hang in there, okay? Don't beat yourself up, don't be too hard on yourself, guys. Everything is happening in your favor and for your good. Please trust that, okay? In your external influences, there is the Six of Wands, victory. This card is that of victory. I really like this card a lot in the deck. It is a very positive card, okay? This is someone who is coming out victorious from a situation, okay? And it's a definitely call for celebration. So trust me, guys, whatever bad phase that you're going through, you're going to come out as a winner from this situation, okay? I strongly feel that someone is going to get married or going to enter into a committed relationship, okay? Someone is going to come and see you, someone is wanting to come and see you, someone really likes you more than you can imagine, okay? That kind of energy I'm getting over here, and it's a very cute and sweet and very passionate energy, okay? Yeah, definitely a lot of passion, okay? Someone really is very eager and curious to come and see you, is what I see over here. Three of Wands, Two of Wands, Six of Wands. That person is planning to come and see you, okay? And it's just like, I can't wait and come and see you. That kind of energy I'm feeling here. The outcome is that of Ace of Pentacles now, guys. So that's what I was telling you, that whatever it is that you are desiring, okay, it's going to come for sure. You are going to get it for sure. So please have some patience, okay? You are definitely headed for new beginnings, new chapter, a fresh start in your life. Now these are not only just new beginnings, but these are abundant and prosperous new beginnings. So if this is the career move or the new career or new job that you are joining, new business that you are starting, if it's related to anything related to your profession, know that this is going to bring in lot of prosperity, okay? This is going to be like if you're switching jobs, you're going to get a very good pay hike, okay? And it's going to be kind of a dream job for you guys, okay? If it's a business that you're going to start, then this is going to bring you a lot of profits and lot of success, that kind of energy I'm feeling. And oh boy, I'm really happy for you guys, really happy. Page of Pentacles. Now this was the energy at the bottom of the deck, guys. Now I feel that some of you guys are going to get some idea, just like a euphoria, like just out of the blue, okay? Like you're sitting watching television, or you're just doing your chores mindlessly, and then an idea just suddenly pops up, that kind of energy I'm seeing. This could also be a message coming from some of your friends, or job opportunity, like you're talking to your friends and that friend happens to mention about some job opportunity, okay? And that's how you come to know about it, that kind of energy. And that's how the things are going to start rolling for you guys, okay? That's how you are going to reach to this Ace of Pentacles, from Page of Pentacles to Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, there was Knight of Pentacles also. So even though slow moving energy, definitely the outcome is worth putting all the efforts, worth waiting for. And I am just absolutely loving this reading, guys. This is absolutely going in a flow. There is no confusion in this reading. You are headed for good beginnings. Lovers card, like I said, someone is definitely going to get into a committed relationship. Someone is going to come down and propose to you. Someone is going to come down personally, okay? I feel that you guys are not in the same city. So that person is going to come and see you in person and going to offer you marriage or whatever it is, but definitely that person is eagerly waiting to come and see, is what I see over here. See the Chariot, this is this is what I was talking about. Someone is really going to come to you in a headstrong way, guys. There is going to be a lot of movement, okay? So this moment is going to be for you guys in personal as well as professional aspect. If it's the professional thing that you are desiring and working towards, please expect a lot of movement in that, okay? A lot of momentum in that. Things are going to start rolling very fast for you guys. Even though right now you do not see anything, know that the things are going to gain momentum and you are going to get whatever it is that you are desiring or aspiring. Now 6 of Swords, now this is you who after this 10 of Swords, okay, after this 10 of Swords, this is you moving on in your life, looking forward for a fresh start, looking for a second chance in life, okay, be it professionally or personally. But this is definitely you who is going to tread through those waters, okay, keep on going through those emotions and moving forward in life, okay. And why not, guys, the wheel is definitely changing for you. You guys are definitely and most definitely headed for lovely beginnings, lovely times, even personally and professionally. To whoever this resonates, guys, there is definitely a there is definitely the two sets of energies that I'm seeing over here. So both the energies know that you guys are headed for really good and happy times, that's for sure. And I'm so loving this reading, guys. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful. Okay, my goodness, did you see that this card just popped out even before I could complete my sentence, okay? I didn't even have to shuffle. Now, waves of prosperity, didn't I say that? You guys are definitely headed for abundant beginnings, okay? Prosperous beginnings. There was this Ace of Pentacles. Where did it go? Yeah, see, I just mentioned, right, whatever this opportunity or whatever this new energy is coming to your life, it is going to put you to another level altogether. Definitely abundant and prosperous beginnings for some of you guys. New abundance and exciting opportunities wash over you now. Wow. Wow. I'm so happy to get this card for you guys. And I'm so happy for you guys, Librans. I have Libra in my chart. I am ascending Libra. And I am excited to see what happens in my life also. Just kidding, okay? Yeah, let's see what we have for you guys. Okay. Don't let pride get in your way. Wow, a lovely message. Yeah, this is for everyone, I would say. Sometimes we get carried away, sometimes sometimes we forget that small line between having self-respect, and stepping over onto the line of pride, okay. So whatever it is, the universe is trying to tell you that do not let that happen to you, okay. Be humble, be grounded, and let the beautiful energies flow to you, okay. So yeah, I really love this reading, guys. Hope you all liked it too. So if any such thing happens to you, please let me know. Drop comments. You can message me, okay. You can mail me, okay. But do let me know. If this reading resonates with you, please like the video, okay. Share the video if you think it might help someone, okay. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, okay, guys. Also, like I said at the beginning of this reading, in March we are completing 1 year to our channel, okay. So I am offering flat 20% in all my readings for the month of March, guys, personal reading. So please pass on this message to whoever you think it will help, okay. So yeah, see you next month, guys. Now stay safe, stay blessed, take care, bye.